When I was a little girl, I used to watch my father do his gardening every single day. He used to do it with so much love and affection, and he had a very flourishing garden. So one day he told me, "Why don't you learn gardening? Take this pot and make it grow." I was so excited. I took the pot up to my window in my room and I kept it near the windowsill. Now I thought that I had given the pot everything it needed to grow. It had the sun, it had water, it had everything that it needed to grow. In a few days, my pot started to dry up. I asked my father that I gave it sun, I gave it water, but why is it still drying up? And my father said, "But you forgot what one little thing called the fertilizer. You didn't give it a fertilizer to grow." At that point of time, I didn't believe him. I said, "Really? Something like a fertilizer which smells so bad, which is made up of rotten vegetables, um, how can it be good for anything? How can it grow something?" So he said, "Okay, let it be." And in a few days, my plant died. I realized that not all bad things are really bad for us. Sometimes in life, we need these bad things to make us good human beings. We need these smelly things that we don't like to nurture us, to help us grow. We come across so many situations in life where people criticize us, people are negative with us, people shout at us, people show us anger. And what do? Do we realize how important they are, or do we just react and let them be? We let them go out of our lives. The one biggest mistake we all do as human beings is letting people who are negative with us go away from our lives. Now, there could be different perspectives to this, but think about it, guys. Aren't these guys our fertilizers? They may not sound nice, they may not feel nice, they may not seem nice, they may not be even good human beings, but they are the catalysts for our growth. They are the ones who teach us the difference between right and wrong. They are the ones who make us who we are meant to be. They are in our lives to teach us the lessons that you and I are meant to learn in this life. Without them, we are not going to grow. They could be anybody. Fertilizers could be your parents, your siblings, your spouses, your children, your worst of enemies, your best of friends. They could be anyone. So, how do we look at people? If we start looking at people as people who are meant to make us who we are meant to be, there would be no resentment, there would be no anger, there would be no hatred, there would be only lessons that we are meant to learn. So think about these fertilizers in your life, bring them back, nurture your souls with them. They are the ones who are the most important part of growth in a human being's life. Who are your fertilizers? Think about it.